Friends, I am Gopi Kumar Srivastava from myself Sudamdi. Today I am starting a new chapter of history, chapter 2 from trade to territory. In this chapter, I am discussing about British, how British came in India and how British spread its empire all over the India. India Company came in India in 1600 AD with a permission और चार्टर गारंटेड बाय द क्वीन एलिजाबेथ। आपको बता दें कि ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी 1600 ई में भारत में आया था किसकी परमिशन से? तो एलिजाबेथ वन की तरफ से। When the British came in India, he saw that he was not the only sole trader who traded with India. There were many more companies already visited in India, such as Dutch, Portuguese, and French, and the French traders. यहाँ पे आप क्लियर जान लें कि सिर्फ ब्रिटिश इज द नॉट द सोल ट्रेडर. There are many more traders who visited India before, already in India before British. Okay. When the British entered in India, he had taken right from the last Mughal Emperor औरंगजेब. ब्रिटिश जैसे आया सबसे पहले औरंगजेब से वो परमिशन लिया ताकि वो भी भारत में ट्रेड कर सके, व्यापार कर सके. विद द परमिशन ऑफ औरंगजेब, द ब्रिटिश फर्स्ट एस्टेब्लिश अ फैक्ट्री on the bank of river Hooghly in 1651, and the British and they also made the fort around the factory. फैक्ट्री को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए या बचाने के लिए उसके आसपास फोर्ट बनाया, किला बनाया ताकि फैक्ट्री को सुरक्षित रख सके बाकी सब ट्रेडर से. ब्रिटिश वाज वेरी क्लेवर and gave bribe to the Mughal officer to give company जमींदारी system over the 3 villages. ब्रिटिश बहुत ही चालाक था और उसने रिश्वत दिया. किसे दिया? तो मुगल के ऑफिशियल को दिया ताकि वो गांव का जो राइट है उसे ले सके और जमींदारी कर सके. आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द औरंगजेब, द बंगाल नवाब सिराजुद्दौला refused to grant the company concession and wanted a big tribute for the British trade. This was a lead to a famous battle which is known as Battle of Plassey. आपको बता दें कि सिराजुद्दौला बंगाल के नवाब थे और उसने रिफ्यूज कर दिया था ब्रिटिश को व्यापार करने से. And the Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. In this battle, British defeated the Nawab of Bengal, the Sirajuddaulah, and his place installed Sirajuddaulah commander, the Mir Jafar, who never fought the battle. इसके पीछे भी एक जो आपका यहाँ पे सिराजुद्दौला हार गया या डिफीट हो गया, उसके पीछे भी behind this there is a story that Mir Jafar, the commander of Sirajuddaulah, never fought with the Mir Jafar with the together. Okay, therefore the Sirajuddaulah defeated by the British. This battle was the first victory of company in India. But soon Mir Jafar refused to work for British, and then British disposed Mir Jafar and installed Mir Qasim in his place. But again, Mir Qasim also refused to work for British. This refusal led to again a new battle, Battle of Buxar in 1764. After defeating Mir Qasim, Mir Jafar re-installed. जब मीर कासिम को हरा दिया गया, फिर से मीर जाफर को बिठाया गया गद्दी में ताकि वो बंगाल को संभाले. After some In 1765, Mir Jafar was died. In 1765, Mir Jafar was died. And after Mir Jafar and Mir Qasim, company charged to control Bengal, and for this purpose, company become the Diwan of Bengal. Then the company wanted to expand his empire. For this purpose, company issued a new policy, which name was Subsidiary Alliance. This is very important topics we discuss. There are many questions asked in the exam about Subsidiary Alliance. In this Subsidiary Alliance, policy of the British was that every Rajas and every Nawab, I think, kingdoms had to take company soldier to protect themselves. सभी राजा सभी नवाब को ये फोर्स किया गया कंपनी के द्वारा कि उसे ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट का जो पुलिस है या जो आर्मी है उसको ही रखना पड़ेगा राजाओं को. एंड इफ राजास वेर नॉट एबल टू पे द सैलरी इज वेरी हाई टू द कंपनी, द सोल्जर देन a part of the Raja's empire under this policy, Nawab of Awadh, some part of territory had taken by company. आपको बता दें, जब कोई भी नवाब या कोई भी राजा सैलरी नहीं दे पाता था, हाई सैलरी, ठीक है, हिज टेरिटरी या सम पार्ट ऑफ टेरिटरी कैप्चर बाय द ब्रिटिश उसे कैप्चर कर लेता था. आफ्टर कैप्चरिंग द अवध, they fought to Tipu Sultan of Mysore. Tipu Sultan was very famous and he said that no one trade with the British. This step of Tipu Sultan led to many battles with the British. But in the last battle in 1799, the Battle of Sringapatnam, in this battle Tipu Sultan was killed by the company, and the company fought another battle with the Maratha. After defeating Tipu Sultan, company is not stopped, company is spreading, okay, and company now fought to the Maratha. The British had to fought 3 famous battles, which was called the First, Second and the Third Anglo-Maratha War during 1775 to 1819. इसके बीच ये ईयर के बीच 3 तरह का लड़ाई हुआ था, जिसमें इन दिस थर्ड एंग्लो-मराठा war with Peshwa was arrested by the British and sent to the Bidur in the Kanpur with a pension. पेशवा को अरेस्ट कर दिया गया और उसे बिटूर भेज दिया गया और उसे पेंशन में रखा गया. आई थिंक दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी गुड चैप्टर एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. दिस चैप्टर say that how British came for the trade, but they spread their empire one by one, defeating the kingdom of India. I am giving many questions about this chapter. All the students are carefully watch this video and write my questions. I am just giving a brief and it is your responsibility to read the chapter line by line, and any doubt in any topic